Mahatma Gandhi could visualize the coming age of consumption and gave a profound quote: "There is a sufficiency in the world for man's need, but not for man's greed." He complemented with another one on today's scenario: "Speed is irrelevant if you are going in the wrong direction." In today's urban living, some key areas of concern are energy consumption and how we produce our electricity, transportation of people, goods and services, deforestation and lack of greenery, water consumption, some say it will be the oil of the 21st century, and how we manage our mountains of waste. Let's look at them in details. Production of electricity is one of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gas emission. We can cut down on our carbon emissions in two ways. We can reduce our consumption of energy. Secondly, we can produce the energy differently in a renewable fashion. Let's look at how we can reduce our electricity consumption. Change that light bulb now. This is the easiest way to bring your consumption of electricity down. Changing the light bulb with CFL or LED will straightaway help you in reducing the power consumption by more than 70%. These bulbs last longer and are now easily available. Switching off lights when not required can be a big saver, so use the off switch often. Install daylights and let the natural sunlight lighten the room. Our common household devices like television, computer, microwave consume electricity even in standby mode. So it is a good idea to switch them off completely or unplug them if not in use. The Bureau of Indian Energy Efficiency, or BEE, in short, has come out with a unique labeling scheme to guide the consumer in selecting consumer durables. More stars mean that the device is more efficient. So as a customer, look for more stars. 5 is the best. Air conditioning is the biggest part of the energy budget in a hot country like India. But we can save energy by simply having better insulation of our rooms and keeping the AC temperature around 24 degrees centigrade and not 16 degree or 18 degree. Servicing your AC regularly will also help. Designing better buildings. Cooling and heating electrical loads can be reduced by designing better buildings. A good design should be able to use sun's energy to heat in winters and keep cool in summers. Whether it is the water pump or fan, they all run on electrical motors. Servicing them timely will improve their efficiency and will result in energy saving. Now let's look at some ways to produce electricity free from emissions. Renewable energy is a powerful solution and if used properly can solve our energy needs of the future. Due to climate change, there is an urgent need today to shift to them as early as possible. Solar energy. Solar energy can be the biggest source of energy in the future. We can use solar panels to generate electricity for homes, offices, and schools. Solar devices are now coming in different shapes and sizes, from tube lights to water pumps, street lights, and mobile chargers. Financial incentives and subsidies are available today on solar water heaters, solar cookers, and electricity panels. This makes them attractive for the customer. Wind energy provides another good source of renewable energy. India, with its long coastal line and high mountains, can use the source to generate power economically. Wind power is more of a community solution due to cost factors and professional maintenance. Hydroelectric energy. In India, the presence of numerous rivers and streams give us an opportunity to erect small hydroelectric dams. But care should be taken that they do not cause other environmental damages. Nuclear energy is also a low-emission source of power. Use of this source has become controversial in the last few decades due to safety.